Yo tol, today we're breaking down one of the craziest and most disruptive strats sa Honor of Kings, the Athena Smite Roam strategy. Inspired by Elevate's gameplay sa KIC 2025 Day 1 versus HPSE. Let's go! Okay, so ano nga ba ito? Simple lang. Athena goes Roam but instead of the usual support build, bibigyan natin siya ng Smite. Why? Because your job is not to tank, but to steal, annoy, distract, and destroy enemy's tempo. Step number 1. Right after laning starts, Roam Athena immediately invades the enemy jungle. Hindi mo kailangan manalo ng 1v1. Athena's skill let you dash in, steal the camp with smite, then dash out safely using her passive and shields. Dalawa ang pwede mong gawin dito tol. Una, kunin mo ang jungle monsters ng kalaban para mabawasan ang level nila, masira ang rotation at madelay ang buong game plan nila. Pangalawa, atakihin mo mismo ang kalabang jungler, ibaba mo ang HP para mapilitan siyang umuwi sa base o mamatay. Parehong malaking advantage para sa team mo yan, tol. Step 2. Once done with your step 1, sunod mong gawin ang mag-rotate sa jungle nila para may vision ang kampi mo. The goal is simple. Gumawa ka ng gulo, make their jungle chase you, make their lanes collapse inward and delay their farm. Step 3. You don't care if you die. Seriously. Elevate did this. Athena dying once or twice is fine. Basta napuputol ang economy ng kalaban. Every second you waste from their enemy jungler, pre-scaling for your own jungler. Ang tanong tol, effective ba ito sa rank or peak? Yes, if coordinated ang team mo. Yes, if marunong ang team mag-play around pressure. No, if your team panics or doesn't understand your goal. Athena's Smite Roam is high pressure, high chaos strat. Kapag hindi ready ang teammates mo, they'll think you're trolling. But when done right, grabe ang value. You cripple the enemy jungler and boost your own. First game panalo kami pero na-plug yung performance at behavior ko. Nabigyan ako ng C rating at nabawasan ang reputation points ko. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng 5-minute queue penalty. Pangalawang game, panalo ulit. Mas mataas deaths kumpara sa first game pero mas maganda ang overall impact. Kaya nakakuha tayo ng S na merong 150 points at walang reputation deduction. This is your Athena strat breakdown and see you in the next strat.